Across Britain's boardrooms and factory floors, company owners are pulling investments and balking at rising borrowing costs. Westminster has triggered a financial crisis, rocking a country once considered a haven of business stability. Companies have been struggling to navigate the UK's fractious political landscape ever since it voted to leave the European Union without a plan. But the fallout from Prime Minister Liz Truss's new economic policy has taken that to another level for business owners like Nimisha Raja, founder and owner of Nim's Fruit Crisps.
I think if I tried to run my business with my workforce the way they're trying to run the country, I would be out of business and I wouldn't have anybody left in this business to work with me. It's been absolutely ridiculous. I have no idea what they're talking about half the time.
In the last month alone, Raja and many other business leaders have contended with radical changes to tax, a collapse in the pound and a surge in borrowing costs.
Good morning.
A move which forced the appointment of a new finance minister to reverse the tax cuts and slash spending instead. Raja's small business needs investment as demand for her product ever increases, but she feels unable to borrow money.
Given what the uncertainty with the Bank of England at the moment, the interest rates, what the sterling is doing, there is no way we could even contemplate, think about investing in any new equipment, about growth, about new stock, about introducing new products, because if we borrowed a lot of money, we may not be able to pay it back, and it's far too risky at the moment.
She is not alone. A Deloitte survey of top finance directors showed 56% consider credit expensive and are shifting towards cutting costs and managing cash. CMC's chief market analyst, Chris Hewson, branded the last 4 weeks incredibly bad for business.
I think pursuing the corporation tax increase at a time when businesses have had a very, very difficult 2 years, I think is probably unwise. But given the very febrile financial market environment, it was probably the least worst option. And maybe it's something that once things have settled down a little bit, the Chancellor can look at again, maybe sometime next year.
Finally, the biggest single expense.
With Jeremy Hunt being the fourth Chancellor of the Exchequer in the last 4 months, the sense of stability businesses once felt in Britain is long gone.